he can keep a tight grip on hers. Boom.
I will say, in Riff Raff's, on his behalf, Katy Perry also posted the photo of them out that night. So it's not like
the
she
thing
was...
is, I took Katy Perry's as a joke. Like, when she posted, I was like, oh, haha, she's being funny that she went on a date with, you know, Jody Hyrule or whatever. I did not think that was believable at all. I do not think that they went on a legit date.
But Dax, there's no LOL after it, though. It's
so it has to
You
be
don't
real.
need an LOL because look at the picture. It is an LOL.
But look at him, though. They're posing. She's smiling. She's a little smirk. She probably is a little freak.
It's not
she
definitely,
may like the green cornrows.
It's not definitely a non-date.
There were other people there. Ellie Goulding was there. It was like Skrillex's after party. This is not a date. Riff Raff is such a joke.
No, he's not.
They went
yes,
bowling.
He is.
Kristen, they went bowling.
Oh, big deal. They went bowling. 8th grade, you go bowling with all your friends, and this is the same thing.
Okay, you guys may think he's a joke, right? But Riff Raff is not a joke. He's pulling off in that video, he has a grill. That's high flashy. He has green...
Green what?
Green
shorts?
cornrows. No, green cornrows.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? That is
Well,
spectacular.
yeah,
I don't
I mean,
even have those.
He's like a Rhodes Scholar.
Harvey, do you have green cornrows?
I actually have green.
Barely has rose.
No, I have green. I have green shorts. Actually, bathing suits.
Great.
So there.
Oh, boom, you got me.
Boom.
Hey guys, Louisville, Texas. Yeah, the guy got to congratulate Riff Raff. Got a date with one of the biggest pop stars out there. I'm not a big fan of Katy Perry, but what girl would be into this rapper guy? Why would Perry be into it? He's totally respecting Katy and that bikini girl. You know, I understand she doesn't understand English, but if she knew what he was saying, she'd be out of there.
We don't know that that's true. Riff Raff said she doesn't know any English, but who knows?
I'm guessing she doesn't.
He has over 1 million people who are into him. So it's not like
Because
he's
they
just
like to
a
laugh.
joke.
Because they like to laugh at him.
And
Listen,
what girl doesn't like this laugh, though?
Katy Perry does. We know that she enjoys.
Well, we saw her at the strip club. She took him to the strip club.
So
Doing
By
weird
the way,
stuff.
by the way,
Doing weird stuff.
Speaking of John Mayer,